Hello, this is Builder Shed here, and today I'm going to show you how to install GloriousEggroll's version of Proton on your Steam. So y'all basically can run more Steam games through Proton. As we know, Proton is not completely perfect. Some games still not run even through Proton, and you can say the same even through GloriousEggroll's version. GloriousEggroll's version of Proton includes many tweaks to make many games run better, fix certain bugs that are caused by Proton, and even better, make more games actually open up, launch, and run on your system. So let's get into it. So basically, here we are on GloriousEggroll's GitHub, which is where you get it. I'm going to put the link to it in the description for y'all fellas. So where you want to get the download is right down here. You got to scroll down below wine, down below this. Now you get the downloads there. You want to specifically download the .tar.gz file. You don't want, not the source code, you want the .tar.gz. And make sure you get this latest version, fellas. You don't want to be getting an older version. So I already have it downloaded, for instance. So basically, it has a little tutorial down here, like at the very bottom. What the hell is it? No, that's tutorial on the previous page, meant. Which I'm probably going to use a command from there. So basically, here's what you want to do. After you got it downloaded, you want to go into Files, and you basically want to go into Show in Folder, and you want to basically you want to copy this, if I'm following directions correctly, I think. So you want to copy this, rather if you want to right click it, or just basically click on it, and just press Control X to cut, or Control C. Doesn't matter which one you choose. So I'm just going to do cut, for example. Now you want to go back. And now here's what you want to do. You want to press Control and you want to press H. This shows your hidden files, and Steam is in the hidden files somewhere. Let's go looking for it. If we can see it, it's right down over here. .steam. Basically, so your directory for it is basically just .steam. Yeah. If y'all are wondering. So now you want to go under here, so .steam and into root. And then here, you may have it or you may not. If you don't, you want to click. Accidentally added bookmarks. I'll do that later. You want to add a folder called compatibility tools.d. For example, a folder by that already exists. If you want to create via command line, you just go into .steam/root cd into steam/root, and just do mkdir, short for make directory, but it's mkdir, and compatibility tools.d. So it's basically what you do. He's also that nuked the folder. It didn't, thankfully. So now you want to go into compatibility.d once you create it. You want to put it in there. There, I'm just checking here if I make sure if I'm still following directions correctly, as I'm supposed to. And yes, fellas, by the way, it's going to open up something else for y'all, but we're able. You can use WinRAR on Linux. You just have to run through Wine. It runs completely okay through Wine. So here's what you want to do. You want to extract here. If you want to go through the command line instead, just remember it's on the previous one. Just remember it's on the previous. It's on the previous page on this link, and you just need to type. Just basically copy that into the terminal. And press enter. So now you go back into files, and now here you have it. So, boom, now you have it. Now you can delete the tar.gz. Now you can close out. Now you can close out this. And oh wow, look, we're back in the tunneling screen. I can close out that again. Now into Steam, next thing you need to do is you want to basically restart Steam or just exit. On this backup, type in Steam again. It's getting darker outside, fellas. Welcome to Storms in the South. So right now it's currently logging me into my account. No, fellas, you're not getting my password, by the way. Of course, not going to show it. So it opens this up. No, I don't want to go into activities. Now you want to go into settings. So now you want to go into downloads. No, you don't want to go to downloads. You want to go to Steam Play. Now you want to click Enable Steam Play for all other titles. And now you want to go down to basically the latest version of Proton GE you have. So for me, now it'll be this. So now it's that. Now you click OK. Now I want you to restart Steam a second time. Just go ahead and restart Steam a second time, fellas. And now I'd say you're good to go for this. So now let me show you the other part to this that I want to show you. If you, for example, if like running a native Linux port of a game has issues, I'll show you with City Skylines. What the hell? I'm going to show you with Half-Life 2. I don't think Half-Life 2 would have issues, because it doesn't. So, when you're wanting to do this with Half-Life 2, like a game, so you'd have to basically, first of all, you want to tick forced use of a specific Steam Play compatibility tool. And some games will even run faster like this, by the way. And for example, I'm selecting Proton 6.4-GE-1. And it's going to update, of course. It's going to do a little update to change some files. And boom, it'll be done. So this will be the end of the video, fellas. Hope to see y'all next time. See ya!